that technical about football. You hear me?
That shit crazy, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm looking at that shit like, what the fuck?
Football,
That nigga came up to
football is also
damn.
a rough sport. You hear me? You hear me? They don't like rules and stuff.
Man,
But
that shit
football is a rough
crazy, man.
sport.
I said, damn. That man, that look like you want shit,
Yeah,
y'all.
football is a rough sport,
Shit, Bronco. I mean, Buffalo can't do that bitch just hit. Bam. Bam. So it's all good, all monster striver. What's up with it? Cowboy Nation, what's up with you, y'all? Man, say it's going down in the day. What's up with it? What's up with it? Just did a quick live, y'all chilling out. You know, I already know, man. Say, we doing it, y'all. You already know we booming, y'all. Shit, you already know me, bro.
I want to see.
Let's get
I
it.
want
We
to see
doing it, y'all.
I want to
Keep
see
up the
if
good work.
Dan Quinn gonna fix the run
Yeah, they
defense.
want to fix that
That's what I
shit.
want to see, man. You can't come on, man.
Say, because that right there, what they did. Say,
That was a whole collapse.
They ran through it like we were tissue.
That was a whole collapse.
What's up with my bro? Say, appreciate you coming to the live. Y'all know how we do. Represent. Yeah, represent my bro channel, y'all. It is.
He ran the whole game like that. The man didn't stop.
Represent, y'all. Represent my boy channel, y'all. Yeah, please subscribe, y'all. You see what it say? Yeah, don't play no games with it.
You know what I want to know?
Salute.
Why he didn't stop?
He was on.
Could he? Mike couldn't.
He couldn't.
People slapped him around.
They said they had a small lead out there.
Let me tell you something. Right?
Chucking their ass.
Right. They slapped them
Cowboys.
They slapped them around. You know why?
They had a small lead out there.
You know why? They couldn't even stop the man from running into football. It wasn't so much a pass. How many yards the man have passed? About 90 something. They did everything running, man.
Straight up the gut.
Come on, man. The Cowboys,
bro, you already know. On this channel, we show number love, bro.
That's why I said I want to see it. Do we know how to stop the run? That's crazy. You're defensive coordinator. Come on. You don't do that. What's Kyle did them like that? That's how they lost to Arizona.
To the bowl. You already know, bro. To the bowl. We just got to get our mind right. Them Cowboys just got to get their mind right.
I think they got the best talent.
Other than that, man, say, we on it.
They got the best talent. But they got
you say the Dolphins. Oh, Lord. Yeah, the Dolphins looking good. I ain't going to lie to you, bro. Say, okay, I had to look at the symbol. My bad. Dolphins? Say they looking good. I ain't going to lie to you. Dolphins looking good. Yeah, I know that's our next one, but it's all good though. Yeah, it's going down. Say, we're gonna have to hold it down.
They're gonna get on them Dolphins' ass.
Oh shit, we're gonna get on the Dolphins' ass. We get it crunk then.
You finna see something.
We're gonna see something. All right, then. That's what I like to hear.
I'm telling you, that team they lost to slapped them around.
Yeah, they slapped them around.
Yeah, man, slapped them around. Don't nobody run on you like that.
Buffalo fucked them up.
Shit, I wanted, and it got me wondering, can Dan Quinn stop?
It's all good. It's all good. Win some, lose some.
I ain't worried about it.
You just gotta bounce back.
But I know he bounce back. I know he got a killer over there. You need to let him loose.
Okay.
If you let that boy loose, I'll tell you that team be a whole lot better.
There'll be some shit.
They got them lined up everywhere.
Cowboy Nation, y'all. Pop out.
And I'm mad at him too, because he don't know how to represent himself.
Yeah, talk up.
He don't know. You hear me, Mike?
He don't know how to talk up.
If he had any kind of shit talking to him, like
he got the mouth to talk shit, but man, you gotta talk shit to let them know what you really want to do. Shit. When it's time to go down, it's time to go down.
If you're a coach, you see that, you're supposed to endorse that.
Yeah, let them
you're supposed to enhance that with their team. That nigga's the winner.
Is that what you want to do?
That nigga's the winner. Yeah, that's what I do. I'm there, Queen.
I was like, man, say, Cowboy Nation, let's get it.
When they prepare to play the Cowboy, they play for number 11 man.
Number 11. They looking for number 11 from heaven, y'all.
That's why I said it's the Dallas. It's the Dallas disadvantage to line him up every time on the end. Yeah. So let that nigga move up and down the line. They holding him back, Mike. They holding him back.
Scared. Make them scared. They don't know where he gonna come from.
I have my defense where he can line up when
he want to. He's a freelancer.
That nigga play football. No, that nigga play football. That little nigga, that number 11.